back here today at Universal Studios Hollywood. We'll only be here for a bit just to check out the Lunar New Year stuff. I'm excited to try and see how it is. Might do it right after, not 100% sure, but we'll see. But I'm just excited for the day. But as always, I'm gonna take you along inside and I'll see you later. Bye! So we just entered, and then so it's going to be over here.
Welcome to Universal Studios Hollywood. Have a great day. Have fun, everyone. Now
so they're calling it the Noodle House.
Morning, good morning, good morning. Have a great day. Have fun. Woo! Now we're talking.
So you can see here from February 1st to February 28th. We have these options. And it's not open yet, but we'll just come back. It looks so fun. Hi, Beetlejuice!
What's up, Joel?
Hi.
Trying to get a little secret souvenir or something to sleep with under your pillow. I get it. Something to put in a locket next to your heart. I mean, you're only human, you know.
Yeah.
All right, you guys have a good one.
Thank you,
back
too.
anytime, dog.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, it's so pretty. So yeah, it opens at 11, so we'll be coming back. And it has all the Chinese zodiacs and the years, and this year is the year of the tiger. So that's so cool. Hello Kitty is adorable. So years prior, they used to have the Lunar New Year celebration in the plaza area here, and then you were able to meet with Poe's dad, Mr. Ping, in his little noodle shop. They had some food and festivities, get to meet Poe. But yeah, they're not doing it this year. I think it's because it was kind of cutting it a little close from Grinchmas. Yeah, because they were still trying to take down the decorations, and now it's all gone. Also think, I don't know why they didn't do it this year. Maybe because still with COVID and everything. But yeah, so normally they used to do it this year. So hopefully they'll do it again next year. But yeah, so the food's over at the front at Hollywood Dine. They changed it to Noodle House. You can still watch Kung Fu Panda there. And I know Shaggy and the gang is out right now. Gooby, Shaggy, and Velma out. Hi, everybody. Nice to see you. Oh. You didn't give him any Scooby snacks. That's why he's probably hungry.
You didn't do it till later. We need something to entice him.
That's true.
Some mysteries, right, Scooby? He's had enough sugar this morning, as you can see.
Oh, yeah, very hyper.
Yep, I bet, Scooby.
You guys didn't bring any snacks with you?
Not right now. No, we're waiting for food too, so.
You don't want to spoil your appetite. I tried to tell these two, but you know what? I don't think they have an appetite anymore.
Probably
like
not.
A big garbage can.
I know. How do y'all eat so much?
I don't know where they put it.
In her mouth.
They can scarf down 75 cheeseburgers in a good, I'd say, solid hour.
That takes skill. You can do that.
It's like they don't even chew.
Magic.
That's the trick.
Oh, don't chew. Okay. Oh.
How does he stay so thin? I don't understand it, and I never will.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Perfectly caught on camera. Perfect frame.
Oh, thank you guys so much.
You'll see you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, and here we got some Kung Fu Panda Lunar New Year things. So we have like the shirt with Poe and Tigress. It's $23 for kids. We have a toy set. These pistols. Little magnet. This one is $15. It's cute. And this mug, also $15. Another shirt. That one's $19.95. And these cookies and cream cotton candy. Very interesting. Doesn't have a price. $2. And this adult tea, which is $25. And they also have some pins. So these are just like normal universal pins. So haha in your face with Mr. Ping and his noodles and Poe. But I think for Lunar New Year, they have this keychain. And you have Poe, and they just flip it, and then there's Tigress. And I think this is a magnet. $10. And just noise. And some more shirts. And toys. And more Poe.
So try to be stationed where these cookies are at. So maybe out of three. Maybe Danny over there. You want to be here? Yeah. Hey, Dad, can you get her run down and go
Alright, so that's a fortune cookie frappe. The cinnamon tiger twist. Looks like a donut. And the long life noodles. This is a pork ramen. The mango tea boba, which is mango puree, blue tea, and Minute Maid lemonade with boba. And these are just the vegetable egg rolls. So we started eating. We tried the tiger donut. So it's just a twisted donut with cinnamon and chocolate. We didn't think it was gonna be that big, but yeah. So it's cold. I think it would be better if it was warmer. It's a normal donut, so can't really hate it. The mango tea boba, good. It's mango puree with black tea, Minute Maid lemonade, and then the boba balls. And then this is the ramen, pork, get the egg, so that's good. So the long life noodles. Do you like it? And the frappe, it literally, okay, the frappe tastes like you're just drinking a fortune cookie.
And it's because I think they blend fortune cookies in here because it has like a Gerber rice cereal texture. If you understand what that is.
So, but yeah, it literally just tastes like you're drinking a fortune cookie. So it's pretty good too. And then these are just the spring rolls. So they have chicken ones, but this is just the vegetable one, which is also really good too.
It's egg rolls.
Egg roll, spring rolls. Because we call them spring rolls. Anyways,
spring rolls are the ones with the rice paper.
Oh, okay, with the egg rolls. I'm sorry. And they do have like other. So the chicken egg roll, and then they have another noodle. Oh, the secret ingredient noodle. And then they also have like chocolate dipped fortune cookies, a red velvet cupcake, and a New Year tiger, like it's just a cookie, which I'll probably get later.
Tigress.
The tigress, because it's the year of the tiger. But yeah, so far, I mean, I like the majority of what we got. Actually, all of what we got. Just like I said, that's just okay. But everything else is good.
Boy, that was a long time ago. Anyway, he wasn't there long. In 1914, Mr. Lumley came west along with the rest of the motion picture industry. Came to California. Mr. Lumley bought 200 acres of prime California real estate and began Universal City Studios, a self-contained city dedicated to filming. We still consider ourselves a city. The legal name of the place is still Universal City Studios. We have things you would find in a city. Over there on your right, there's our fire station. That's not a set, guys. That's a real fire station with real firefighters. Brave for 17 and 16 over to your left. A lot of stuff has been going on inside there. The TV show Superstore was done inside there. When Superstore moved out, Saved by the Bell, the reboot, moved in. Used those sound stages. And currently these are being used by the show Hacks, which is on HBO, a show about Las Vegas entertainers. We're also approaching staff of tour guides. As you might imagine, we all have our own favorites. I admit I'm kind of partial to Fred Flintstone's car over there on the left-hand side. I should let you know that did not move through the courtesy of Fred's 2 feet. That was actually towed by a camera truck. Kind of like a great big pickup. The camera was in the flatbed of the truck. Oh, and there's the gyrosphere from Jurassic World. That's the one they used in the movie, by the way. Although it is missing something. That would be the glass. I'll let you know on a secret, guys. The glass was never there. No, it was added in post-production by the computer. If they had used real glass, number one, it was round, so no matter what angle they approached it from, they would have gotten glare and reflection. Plus, it was enclosed. I mean, the two guys inside would have suffocated, right? Vince Vaughn, that was a very early film appearance for him. Easy to push that thing around because it's made out of plywood, painted to look metallic. Oh no, wait a minute, dinosaurs, everybody done? And if you thought that was bad, wait for the fire hose coming out of the mouth of the dinosaur on the left-hand side. Get ready to get... No, I'm kidding. It's not going to happen. These are strictly for decoration. Now, keep in mind, guys, one of the ideas behind creating a back lot at a movie studio was that you can recreate different parts of the world right here at the studio. Never go anywhere, right? I'll show you what I mean right now. We're going to take you down to Mexico. And while we're at it, we're also going to give you a weather effects demonstration. It creates lightning. Like flashes a few times with the lightning. You hear the sound of the thunder being pumped in the area over loudspeakers. All we need now is rain. Oh yeah, over on the left, there's the rain. Rain comes from sprinklers, which are at the tops of the posts and poles. They're situated in such a way so the water shoots up and falls in the slide rain-like pattern. The trick, as you might imagine, never photograph the sprinklers. One other thing I should mention, by the way, you know, here in California we've had a drought going for quite some time, and I'm afraid the ground over there is like concrete. It can't absorb all this rainwater. So we're going to get a flood. Yeah, make a flash flood coming down the hill, aids the tram. I'm sorry, but we're doomed. Oh my, yes. Doomed is doomed to be. Mark out. Flood comes from the storage shed to the top of the hill. We open the doors, the water comes rolling on down. We collect it down here, we pump it back up to the hill again, we use the same flood all day long. That's a California flood. It's 100% recyclable. This, believe it or not, is the oldest part of the Universal backlot. First part of the backlot where they made movies. We're talking 1915, 1916, well, movies on a regular basis. And of course, all of those movies were westerns. Cowboy films, those westerns, they were the backbone of the American movie industry back then. The area is still in use today. Not too long ago, just a couple of years ago, a movie came out for Princess Diaries 2. The parade sequence was right where we're driving. But of course, most people recognize this as The Good Place.
You, Eleanor Shellstrom, are dead.
Cool. This location, the afterlife, come on. I've never ever seen this.
You're in the good place.
I'm not supposed to be here. I can't risk going to the bad place.
Maybe it's not all that bad.
How can I help you?
What is...
But you notice the train tracks over there to the left and on the right, the trips well. Oh, I know it's the first place. Good. Oh no, wait a minute. I don't like that look in his eye. He's got a knife! Now, Now, behind the Psycho House, an amazing set from a Steven Spielberg movie called War of the Worlds. Yeah, get some really good pictures of it. And also, let me play you a little clip featuring Rick Carter, the man who designed all of this, and Steven Spielberg.
Okay, so it's the end of our day at Universal. So we mostly came specifically just to check out the Lunar New Year food. Like I said, it was good. Like I said, the donut, it's bigger than I thought, and it would have been better if it was warm, but it was cold. But it's just a donut, so it's fine. Everything else is really good. The mango tiger boba drink, that one was like probably the number one. Yeah, and then we just did the studio tour, walked around, saw a few characters, and yeah, it's just a beautiful day. Like, the weather is cold, but the sun's out, so it's just like blinding us right now. Yeah, it was fun. So like the Lunar New Year for like the food started yesterday, February 1st, up until the 28th. And we also noticed that they were checking vaccination right before entering security, because before they used to do it like after security, but this time they did it before security. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Yeah, I don't know. Well, today was still a beautiful day, spending it with my sister. Just had lots of fun. But as always, I'm thankful that I brought you along on this adventure, and I can't wait to see you to the next one. Bye!